Thinking about launching your own LLC in Colorado? That's a wise move. Establishing an LLC can shield your personal assets, like your home and car, if your business faces legal trouble. Plus, having LLC in your name instantly shows clients and partners that your business is officially registered, boosting your credibility right from the start. Here's a quick rundown of the main steps, plus some tips for what to do after your LLC is set up. Missing any of these could lead to unnecessary complications, so it's good to stay on top of the details. First up, selecting your business name. This part's exciting because you get to craft an identity. Just keep in mind Colorado's rules. Your LLC name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or abbreviations like LLC or LTD. The name must be unique. It can't be the same as or sound too similar to an existing Colorado business. To check availability, you can do a quick online search. Just make sure you verify both the exact name and similar options to avoid conflicts. If your preferred name is free, consider reserving it. You'll pay a $25 fee. Once reserved, it's held for 120 days. Need more time? You can renew the reservation for another 120 days by filing again. For all the details, check out Filing Fox's Colorado formation page. There's a step-by-step guide and relevant links waiting for you there. And as a smart move, securing a matching domain early can make your future website easier to find. Domains can be affordable, sometimes under $3 a year, so locking it in now is a good investment. Next, pick a registered agent. This is the person or service that will receive official documents like legal notices or government correspondence. Colorado law requires the agent to have a physical street address in the state. P.O. boxes are not allowed. If you're acting as your own agent, you need to be over 18 and have a primary residence in Colorado. Alternatively, you can appoint someone you trust, like a friend, family member, or an external service. Many entrepreneurs choose commercial registered agents for privacy and convenience. Services like Filing Fox can provide this support, typically costing less than $10 a month. They even offer to include agent services for free for a year if you choose them through trusted providers, saving you time and protecting your privacy. Filing the Articles of Organization comes next. This form contains basic details like your LLC's name, principal office address, registered agent's info, and how it will be managed by members or managers. It's an online-only process in Colorado with a $50 filing fee. If your LLC already exists elsewhere and wants to do business in Colorado, you'll need to file a foreign entity registration, which costs $100. Be prepared to provide an assumed name if your existing LLC's name is already taken here. Creating an operating agreement is a smart move, even if Colorado law doesn't require one. It's a written agreement among members that outlines ownership, voting rights, profit sharing, and management rules. While not public record, having this document in place helps avoid conflicts and provides clarity if issues arise later. We offer a free template to get you started, linked in the description. Finally, you'll want to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This number functions like a social security number for your business. It's essential for opening bank accounts, handling taxes, or hiring employees. The process is straightforward and free on the IRS website. Just fill out an online form. Once your LLC is up and running, remember to file an annual report with the Colorado Secretary of State to keep your info accurate. Keep your personal and business finances separate. Using dedicated bank accounts helps protect your assets and build your business credit. Protecting your enterprise with appropriate insurance, like workers' compensation or auto coverage, is not only wise but often legally required. Thinking of a website? Platforms like GoDaddy make domain registration a breeze, and working with a trusted service like Filing Fox ensures your setup is smooth and compliant. Automation with reliable services can save hours, giving you more time to focus on growth. All these steps sound some effort, but trust that support from professionals like Filing Fox can make the process much easier. For questions or personalized help, reach out to info@filingfox.com. We're here to help you succeed. Ready to take that next step? Your Colorado LLC journey starts now, and with the right guidance, you'll be up and running in no time.